Hey kids, you can go play. Okay. Oops. Ah, dang. I'm going. Wait for me. No, Willie will do. Ah! We need to go out. We need to go out. The wind is strong.
I did bought you one.
Huh?
I bought you one. It's right here.
Champion.
Well, you're the one champion. You want?
Phew. Ow, it hurts. But I'm still fine. The wind is too strong. So what about you can play games? Yay, games! Sit. Oh, I will sit on it. Oh yeah, me too. I will sit on it. Oof. Oh. Oh, sorry. I need to heal them. Oh my, what is that sound? I don't know. At force 100. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my. The wind is too strong. Oh no, it's going to break! Our flag! No! No, our flag! It's getting blown away! Our home, it's getting blown away! Ah, help me! I'm getting blown!
Sabi niya, at least daw, may pupuntahan daw tayo, tapos yung papa ko maiiwan. Sabi ko, bakit
Oh
iiwan?
no! Ah!
Pwede naman magkaibang kotse. May kotse naman kami.
Over here.
Hindi din yung papa mo sa amin sa mama.
Oh wait, what's happening?
Drive ni Robert.
Oh no! Help us!
Sabi ng mga may...
Ah, it hurt.
Hindi lang naman sila yung magkasama. Marami namang kasama.
Oo yun.
At force 1,000. Oh no! We're getting blown. Left side. Ah! Help us! We're getting blown. Oof.
$23 Vegas all you can eat dim sum, bebo.
At force 10. At force 10. Ah!
Masarap, babe.
Oh my god.
I'm bringing
Ah! Oh my. What happened here? Oh my god. I need to call 911 now. 5 minutes later. Sorry, but there's nothing can we do. Do that. Cries. So this is the end. The doctor adopts the little one to a safe place. So if you're watching this, like and subscribe, okay? So bye bye.